nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If I sound crazy, it's because I keep getting sick and so my voice is just like normal, strange, normal, strange. I don't know if it's the weather or if my students have cooties and they're giving me their cooties. Probably a combination of the two. Anyway, today is Saturday. Excuse my hair, I literally just took it out of the ponytail for this video. Today's Saturday. And Saturdays I meet my friend for coffee or what have you, and sometimes we go to random places with her children. So like, I watch them play on trampolines and all that other stuff. I don't know what we're doing today, so this look is just me using, again, because when I get something new, I like to play with it a while. So I'm going to be using the Frozen Nebula palette again, which I used yesterday on my Face Shirt Friday, and as well as the Rock Wet palette from ColourPop. So, I don't know what look I'm going for, I just know I want to play with the blue that is in here again, as well as maybe a little bit of the purple that's in here. So, if you haven't seen this palette before, I used this blue shade and this green shade yesterday. I want to go into this purple shade as well as this blue shade and a little bit from the Rock palette. So, enough talking. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to go into the wet palette and take the shade Skinny Legend, which is this one right here, and put that all over my lid real quick, real fast. Also, if I look super light, it's because I'm trying a new, well, it's not a new primer, but it's a primer that I don't use a lot because it's Korean primer, so I'm assuming it's so light because it's for Korean women and I'm not Korean. But my makeup auntie gave it to me, so, you know, I'm going to use it. And I'm going to take that purple shade in the Frozen Nebula palette first and put it, like, in this area and then blend it out, of course. Then next I'm going to go into that blue shade that's in the palette and put it just in the corner, like in the crease and in the corner, and then blend it out. So basically blending these two shades together. And for the inner corner, I'm going to go into the shade that comes right here, the silver shade from the Rock palette, and just put it in a corner. Now for the under eye, I'm sorry if you can hear Sounds outside my neighbors are really loud and I don't know why, because it is like 9:30 in the morning. I'm going to take this shade, LOL, I'm crying, from the wet palette, this one, and put that all on my lower lash line. And for today's lip, I want to keep it simple. So I'm going to just use my Fenty Gloss Bomb. No big deal. Although there's like hair in my face. It's almost gone. It's a sad day. When do you run out of gloss? Okay, maybe when you just run out of Fenty Gloss. And aside from the fact that I look like I'm 2 years old, totally fine. This is the finished look. I actually really like it. And I did my hair like this to get the hair out of my face while I fixed my face. And I think I'm going to keep it like this though. I just put some Trophy Wife on my Cupid's bow. And I think a little bit got on my lower lip because I can see gold. But anyway, I like it. It's an aesthetic. I'm feeling it. I really like that Frozen Nebula palette. Anyway, that's it for this look. Again, this is just a quick little thing. Saturdays, I don't know why, but I like filming tutorials on Saturdays. So, this is like my 3rd or 4th one. So, here you go. See you all later because I'm going to be filming a tag video. So, bye.